Mix Coca-Cola with charcoal and get ready for results so incredible you'll never spend money on expensive products again. Here's the shocking secret that supermarkets don't want you to know. To start, we're going to need a piece of charcoal. Make sure it's brand new and unused. Take that piece of charcoal and place it inside a sturdy plastic bag. Seal the bag tightly, tying it tightly to prevent any mess. Now, using a heavy object, like a hammer or rolling pin, crush the charcoal into a very fine powder. This step is essential because the fine powder is what gives our solution its power. After crushing the charcoal, use a fine sieve to separate out the larger pieces. We only want the finest powder, which will be the main ingredient in our magic cleaner. Once it's strained, set that powder aside and move on to the next step. In a container, pour about 150 ml of Coca-Cola. That's right, Coca-Cola. This commonly consumed drink contains surprisingly effective acids that help dissolve even the toughest dirt and restore shine to metallic surfaces. Then, add 150 ml of liquid detergent of your choice. The brand doesn't matter, as long as it's effective against grease. Finally, add another 150 ml of water at room temperature. Once all the ingredients are in the container, mix very well until you get a homogeneous solution. It's important to stir well so that the charcoal powder is completely integrated with the liquid. The result is a powerful mixture capable of transforming even the dirtiest and dullest metals with the solution ready. Transfer it to a practical container for easy use. I like to use empty detergent bottles because they're easy to handle and make application much easier. And this is where the magic begins. Think of that burnt pan, full of accumulated grease and impossible to remove stains. It seems like a lost cause, right? Apply the solution directly to the pan. With a soft sponge, gently scrub the surface. The charcoal acts as a natural abrasive, while the Coca-Cola and detergent work together to loosen grease and remove stains. In just a few minutes, you'll see the dirt magically disappear. After you try it, come back here and tell me what you think. This trick is truly transformative and perfect for those who like to have everything spotless. That was today's trick. A big hug and see you in the next video.